But hold it.
Oh my god. You shut up.
I cracked him.
Oh, man, because he got pooped on by Steve.
Dang!
I got pooped on by Steve. That's 200 from Hawk, no. Pass him. Come on, pass him. Let's pass him. We met Josh. Blue's Clues.
Josh would be on that show.
Making a whole bunch of money though.
You're
He's
so
where
low,
the
man.
clue at? Josh Dunn is right there.
He's so low to my shot.
60.
Get him, David.
Beat him up, David. Beat him up, David.
I'm just attacking.
Let me clip him. Ooh.
Wait, did I see him? What?
You're not good. Really, I try to make a montage.
How you gonna tell me I'm not?
Yeah,
how you make a montage? How you make a montage? Alright, here we go with the spray.
You just gotta take clips for yourself and then put it in the video.
What? I do clip.
Why does this nigga shield, dude? Why does this nigga for a shield, dude?
Oh.
That's why you clipped that and posted on YouTube, bro.
Bet.
Like 10.
I bet all the girls will like it.
Oh, what the f- Courtney.
I got you, Holden. I'm just gonna controller him.
Control him then.
I'll use you for a clip if you don't stop running. Alright. That'd be a clip then. Thank you.
Oh, fuck no, hell no.
I'm with my bros. I know.
Oh, on me. 100. Got him. Let's go, bro. Oh. Look at that was down to 200. Bro, look at that was down to 200 pump on Rico, bro. I swear I would clip that man so hard, bro. I'll make his mama titties come out, bro. Swear to God. Oh, shit.
You're fat. If anyone's fat, actually Q is fat. Never mind, take that back.
Fat ass stomach.
Hey, yo, Paxton.
Yeah, ugly. I mean, what? What? I got friends that do my head up, brother.
Thanks for distracting them, talking red dog.
No, what the fuck?
No, you should have dropped the surface, you dumbass, bro. You should have dropped the surface instead
I
of
know your location now. So getting slippy.
Oh, you bitch! Nigga, who the fuck cares about height, bro? She's on short, bro. She like...
We can die together.
Die together.
And you can also get laser by me together.
Yay! Yay! Killed you first.
Wow, Holden, you gotta kill me when I'm low. Okay.
That's your bitch ass up.
Shut your bitch ass up.
That's your bitch ass up.
I'll just edit the video so every time a clip comes on, all you hear is the pump. Just boom, boom.
That's called an edit.
Yeah, I know how to edit videos now. If you go look at my YouTube channel and subscribe, so awesome. There's someone over there! Oh